Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Goodbudget's envelope budgeting system works. Goodbudget is a digital adaptation of the traditional cash envelope method, designed to help you manage your money using a smartphone app or computer instead of physical paper and cash. The core concept is built around income allocation. When you receive your paycheck or regular income, you record the total amount in the app. This money is then designated as unallocated funds, ready to be distributed. Your next step is to assign these funds into specific digital envelopes representing your spending categories. These categories are typically split into two main groups: monthly non-negotiables like rent, utilities, and groceries, and variable spending like dining out, entertainment, and personal care. Goodbudget allows you to set target funding goals for each envelope. This ensures that essential expenses are prioritized before any discretionary spending gets funded. As you spend money throughout the month, you manually log your transactions into the app, or you can link your bank accounts to automatically download and categorize transactions depending on your account tier. Every time you log an expense, the app automatically deducts that amount from the corresponding envelope. This provides a real-time view of your remaining balance in each category, showing you exactly how much money you have left before you overspend. Another key feature is the annual envelopes or goal-based saving feature. This allows you to set aside money for irregular or long-term expenses that do not fit into a standard monthly budget, such as holiday gifts, annual insurance premiums, car repairs, or travel. By contributing small amounts to these envelopes each month, you build up funds over time without disrupting your day-to-day cash flow. Goodbudget also supports household sync, allowing couples or families to share a single budget across multiple devices. Everyone can see the same envelope balances in real time, which helps maintain transparency and keeps everyone aligned on shared financial goals. At the end of the month, any remaining funds left over in your envelopes can either roll over into the next month to increase your balance or be reallocated towards savings and debt repayment. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.